The training program I went through gave a lot of valuable information about the pharma industry, more specifically the manufacturing process. It gave a great introduction to what I would be doing at my new job.
If I were to give any piece of advice to someone, it would be to make sure that you learn as much as you can as you're doing your job. Because when you start out, they're going to have you doing a lot of little things while everyone else is doing the big things. You need to make sure that you're getting as much knowledge from everyone else as you can. Make sure you're not focusing on what the current job that you're doing, but also what everyone else around you is doing. So at any point, you will have that knowledge at the back of your head and say to yourself, okay, well, I can do this too. So I should be, people will recognize it, your coworkers will recognize it, your supervisor will recognize it. It's just better to learn as much as you can.